Sushemi. A side dish from Japan. Serves 4. You will need 20 ingredients. Step 1. Wash the rice by placing it in a large bowl and covering it with cold water. Swirl the rice around in the water until the water looks cloudy or milky. Drain immediately and repeat the process until the water is mostly Step clear. 2. Try not to check
to
a large saucepan and cover with cold water.
Never stir the rice.
Bring to a boil.
When all the
Cover
water
and
has been
simmer for
absorbed,
15 to
remove the
20 minutes
saucepan
until
from
the
the
rice
heat
is
and
soaked
leave
covered
all the
for a
water.
further 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3. Meanwhile, measure the vinegar, sugar and salt into a small bowl and stir until the sugar and salt are nearly dissolved. Pour the vinegar mixture over the rice and fold in using a wooden spatula or Japanese rice paddle.
Step 4.
Set aside
When
to
rolling
cool.
the
sushi or fish, have a bowl of warm water handy to wash any sticky rice off your hands. Step 5. Place a sheet of nori, dried seaweed onto a sushi mat or a piece of plastic wrap larger than the nori sheet. Spread an even layer of prepared rice on top of the nori, leaving at least a 1-inch strip clear at the top edge.
Step 6.
Place your chosen fillings in the middle of the rice. Try to choose fillings that are color contrasting for visual effect. Step 7. Brush a little water on the edge of the nori to help the edge stick. Step 8. Using the mat, fold the nori over in a single motion so that the bottom edge meets the nori at the top edge of the rice layer. Step 9. Now compress the rice and filling by pulling your fingers in on the top edge of the mat to make a tight cylinder. Step 10. Fold a clear strip of dampened nori over to seal the cylinder. An NBSP, cut into short lengths. Step 11. To serve, use 2 small dipping bowls, one with a good quality Japanese soy sauce and one with wasabi paste, Japanese horseradish. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.